Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode. So today we are at Universal Studios Hollywood for a taste of Universal, and we're at the back lot right now behind everything, and I'm trying to video record where there is no music. So just gonna tell you a little bit about our day so far. So far we've only had one thing to eat, and that was the shepherd's pie over at Three Broomsticks restaurant. I had the shepherd's pie. My husband got the fish and chips, which is one piece of fish, and some french fries, and they're both really tasty. The shepherd's pie was really good, and very filling. Oh, look how pretty. The fish and chips was only one piece, and it was really good, but for my husband it wasn't filling enough, so we're gonna go back in and get some more food, taste some things. We did have butterbeer, which was really good, and it's our favorite, first time having it. And if you're coming down here, I would recommend coming down. You can walk around the park. We haven't been here in 10 years, so it's been really nice walking around and seeing all the new rides that they have here, the new attractions and everything. Even though that they're not open, it's pretty cool. And the views are amazing. So we live in Ventura, you guys know, a lot of you know. And we both grew up down here in the valley, and we haven't been down here in a very long time. Even though we're only half an hour, 40 minutes away, there's just no reason for us to come down here anymore. So you can get a really nice view of everything. And we were on the whole other side, where you can see the entire valley, and I will be posting pictures of that on my community page if you guys want to go there and look. I'm also going to be posting videos as I can, trying to get to where there is no music so I don't get copyrighted, but just want to show you. So if you're not familiar with Universal Studios or the Valley, the San Fernando Valley, over, let's see, over there, all that right there, that's Warner Brothers Studios. So it's Warner Brothers. Disney is over there as well. Let's see, and then you can see here, right in here, that's where they do some of the filming for the backlot tour, and also any movies or anything, you know, that they're filming down here. Lots of commercials are filmed here, lots of movies. Once you come down here, I kind of grew up coming down here when they first opened for tours years ago. And once you know the backlot, you can easily recognize many commercials and many movies and things. Once you've seen everything here, then you know where they're filming. It's really cool. So hope to bring you guys back after it opens in about hopefully another month, and we'll all enjoy this together. Thanks for watching, you guys. More to come. And yes, we are celebrating 6,000 subscribers, you guys. So I will be getting some souvenirs and be giving them away, and I will show you those probably either later tonight or tomorrow. I don't know what time we're gonna get home tonight. Kind of looks like it's gonna rain again. So far so good. We only hit rain when we first got here, so yeah, so we're gonna do that 6,000 subscriber giveaway, and please watch for that. Make sure that you watch the end of the videos, because there's going to be ways to enter just like I did before. You don't want to miss out. Thanks for watching, guys.